Hey, I make mobile games with Unity and I really enjoy procedural generation and simple low poly art. Yesterday, I was just sitting at my desk looking at my ugly avocado tree and I thought, you are such a simple thing, just a few branches, some leaves, why not try generating one procedurally? So, I gave it a shot and this is what I came up with in just one evening. I am honestly kind of shocked how good it looks. These low poly trees are built from just two branch pieces and one leaf cluster and somehow they still feel alive. I like the results so much, I figured I would share it with you. I started by generating a whole forest using this system. Each tree is unique, different shape, size, and density. The leaves sway gently, giving the whole scene a calm, living feel. But it doesn't have to be all bright and cheerful. Here is darker example. No leaves, just bare, twisted branches. Could be used in a horror scene, a dead forest, or stylized post-apocalyptic world. Same generator, but totally different vibe. Now, let me show you how the generator works. Every time you click, you get a different result. Some are tall and thin, some are short and wide, some kind of ugly. But hey, real trees ain't perfect either. You can also change how the leaves look, color, size, even transparency, so you can go from solid low poly blobs to soft glowing leaves cloud. That makes it super flexible for different art styles. The system is super simple. Trees are built from small reusable parts, a trunk and branch segment, and a cluster of leaves. Each branch has spawn points where new branches or leaves can grow. It builds upwards and outwards in layers with a bit of randomness. Everything is controlled by a simple script and just a few prefabs. Right now, it's just a fun tool I made for myself. But I am thinking of polishing it up, maybe adding environment elements like rocks and grass, optimizing it for mobile devices, and uploading it to the asset store for the lowest price possible, just to share it and maybe get some money for coffee. If you are into Unity mobile dev, procedural tools, or small side projects that can bring in a bit of passive income, consider subscribing. I would share more experiments like this, some devlogs and updates on how well these assets perform in the asset store. And thanks for watching and see you in the next time.